My favorite thing about working on Ditherboy for the past year plus now has by far been the community. You can probably tell that me and everyone else involved really enjoys doing the free downloads or free resources or color palettes or whatever it is. So today I am just very quickly coming on here to show you what we have created as a place for all this stuff to live together in one place going forward. So I am right here on the Studio AAA website, and I've just come here to the community section, which is new, and there's a bit at the top here for people who might not have Ditherboy yet, but if you scroll down, there are two sections so far. The first one is free Ditherboy downloads, and the second one is software support. So we do have another software called Flareware. Eventually I'm going to include Flareware in this page, but right now it's just Ditherboy because Ditherboy has more stuff. But on here I am going to be publishing one free download every time there is a new tutorial with a new effect. If I make a piece of work and I use a dithering preset and like some textures or whatever, I'll put the textures on here too with the dithering preset, or basically any supporting files for an update, a tutorial, or a specific piece of work that I've done in Ditherboy can all live here now. All you need to do if you want to get a hold of any of this stuff is just click into the download that you want. So for this one, we just put out these pastel color palettes. There's like 50 or 60 of them. They're all really cool, like pale tones. You just hit download, prove you are a human being, and if you want, you can type your email address here and you'll be able to get updates, but it's completely optional. You don't have to write your email address. And when you hit download, you will get whatever it is. In this case, obviously it's the pastel color palettes. There's a little preview here. You can click to go back to the free downloads hub. And then if you needed to know how to install the color palettes, there's a little help article on that here as well. Or if you were following a tutorial like this one and you wanted to just come and get the preset that I used for Ditherboy, same deal. You can just click here and download the preset. For some stuff, there's like a little bit more context and stuff. So if you want to know like why I made something, or if you just want to get a little bit more information, if you're interested, then I'm not just going to slam free download, free download, free download constantly. I will try and make it as valuable as possible if you're actually looking to learn stuff rather than just download stuff. I was hoping to load this up a bit more before I actually showed it off in a video, but it's proven a little bit harder than I thought it was. It's been quite a while since I've done any sort of free resources on the site, but by the end of the year or just by the next big Ditherboy update, I'm sure this will be full of way more stuff. Probably some stuff that isn't just Ditherboy as well, like textures or other assets that you can use elsewhere. And like I said, we are going to include Flareware in this as well. Here's one I did that sort of roughly covers a little bit how I made this Instagram carousel tile slide. So not everything is just like, here's a YouTube tutorial and a free download. I'm going to try and make it as varied as I can. And you might see some stuff on here that shows like other people's work with Ditherboy, or someone else might write something for the Ditherboy community page. I might see if we can get someone else's preset files or someone else's color palettes or stuff like that, rather than just stuff that I've made. If there is anything specific that you would like me to put on this free downloads page for Ditherboy or Flareware, then let me know and I'll put it on here if I can. Other than that, please bookmark this or come back to it or check on it every now and again, and you'll see I'm going to update this as regularly as I possibly can. If you've watched this far in, you've probably already subscribed to my YouTube, but yeah, subscribing here and coming back to this page is like the best way you can get the most out of Ditherboy and all the stuff that we create for it. So that's that for this video. Just a quick update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.